It's on the 8th of May 2021. Just sitting and looking out the window at home and thinking, this weather is crap. Raining, drizzle, 1 minute it's absolutely chucking it down, next minute it's just drizzling, and it's cold for me. Just thought, right, out for a little run around. It's about all you can do in this weather. I brought my 360 camera with us today. I'm going to try something different. At some point I'm going to stick it out the window of the van and see what kind of footage I can make from it. I don't know when yet, but I'm going to. Just gone over the derwent reservoir, but I'm going to have a run over the moors first, just to extend the drive a little bit. Anyway, as you've seen, I've just come through them traffic lights and just heading towards the caravan park, and then A68 at the end, turn left up the bank to head over the moors from Castleside. Right, I'm over the moors, and it's well, you can imagine, it's foggy, wet. I don't know if there's any lambs over here yet, but two sheep there with no lambs. We'll see. I mean, I'm just getting over the moors, so I'm not right in the heart of it yet, if you know what I mean. Just past the house up for rent there. It's quite often up for rent, that house. Oh, there's a couple of little lambs there, and the one there following Mama. Mama? Where did I get that word from? Following its mum. I don't like the word mum. That's an American thing, isn't it? I know some people down the south end of the UK uses the word mum, but I prefer mum. So it's hard to get cards when you're looking for one for your mother with mum on it, even in the northeast. You'd think they'd make loads with mum on, but they don't. Anyway, sticking the camera out the window, I'm not too sure what we're going to see, but give it a try at some point. Just coming into Edmund Byers over the moors was just completely waste of time. You couldn't see very far, so I've waited till I got here. No idea why that fence might be there, but there's a little sheep, look, just having a bit stand on the side of the road. This way to the derwent reservoir. Quite a nice little place, Edmund Byers. Nice little village. Just passing Pow Hill Country Park. There doesn't seem to be many people down there today, but I'm not going to do another day. I'm just having a drive really around the reservoir and pulling up in little laybys and stuff. Experiment with some different bits of video. some kind of, I think it was a wood pigeon. I'm actually going to turn back and just have a quick look. Look. That's a pigeon's nest. I haven't got a clue what's in it because I can't see. Hopefully we're recording it on the camera. I'm just sitting at the side of the reservoir here and watching. There's some geese down here with chicks. I'm going to attempt to zoom in, see. As I say, it's only a 4x zoom this, so it's not the best, but just to see if I pick anything up, really. It's a gorgeous spot over here, and only 10 minutes drive. Typical like, I forgot to bring my zoom camera, but not to worry. Next time. There's always a next time. Problem is, when you bring it, you didn't see out. That's the thing. And when you haven't got it, you're seeing all sorts. Just watched two male cock pheasants fighting over a female. That was good as well, but as per usual, I haven't got the camera. Back on the 68 now, heading back home. I had a couple of hours out there on the derwent there. It was quite enjoyable, relaxing, and it's pretty miserable weather out this side. Back around the reservoir, just turning left for Shotty Bridge, going through Snod's Edge. There's dry bits on the road and wet patches. Yeah, not a very good day, and the forecast for God knows how long. It's going to be pretty miserable over the next week at least, as far as I know anyway. But anyway, it was just a little break out, just to get away from the miserable weather. Dropping down to 30 mile an hour for Snod's Edge. As that van where Danny's delivery somewhere in the countryside. So this is Snod's Edge. Got a nice little church, St John's Church, Shotty, it's called. Strange having a church when there's only about 3 houses, like, but anyway, never mind. Got the one football ground, which is weird as well. Just looks small though, you know, like 5 a side or something. But anyway, I'm going to wrap this one up here, and there wasn't much to see, but it's a video anyway. See you in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Bye for now. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it anyway. Bye bye now.